In the last video, we went over how to remove a seized caliper from the alpha. Now, it's time to diagnose what actually happened and remove all of the old, worn-out components. Then we have to get it prepped and ready to get back onto the car. So, let's begin. Start by reattaching the caliper without any pads on. You can break both pistons free using the fluid inside of the system. Taking it to a bench and working the pistons back and forth by hand will get both of them to come free. You want to use non-marring pliers and non-marring tools so that you can reuse the pistons if they're not rusted. The pistons run along the seal inside of the bore of the caliper. You want to wire wheel the outside, but don't touch the inside of the bore. You want to make sure that the piston's outer surface is smooth. Any defects can cause the piston to skew inside or wear out your seal. If you look closely, you can see marring on the surface of the piston, also pitting on the outside edge. This is not good, so I ordered 2 new pistons. Go ahead and wire wheel your hardware. Remove your old seal, cover up any of the holes with painter's tape, cover or remove any hardware, and hit it with some high-temp duplicolor black. In the next video, we'll go over how to remove your rotor and take care of your wheel bearing. Final disassembly steps for this project. Until then, ciao.